A box is filled with 3 white, 4 blue, and 5 red balls. If one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is a red ball? All right. So this is your box. Okay. 3 white, 4 blue, and 5 red balls. Okay. If one ball is drawn at random, find the probability that it is a red ball. Okay. How many balls are available in total? 5 red, 4 blue, and 3 white. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. Okay. So sample space is basically 12. उसमें से आपको एक select करना है, right? ओके एंड एक फेवरेबल कौन सा चाहिए आपको? फेवरेबल आपको रेड बॉल चाहिए. सो हाउ मेनी आउटकम्स आर फेवरेबल टू यू? 5 आउटकम्स आर फेवरेबल. ओके गाइस, अंडरस्टैंड. यहाँ पे बॉल्स मैंने दिखाया आइडेंटिकल, दे आर नॉट आइडेंटिकल इन दिस केस. 3 white balls are distinct, 4 blue balls are distinct, and 5 red balls are distinct, right? So favorable outcomes which you want are 5 red balls. कोई भी select कर लो 5 में से, that is favorable to you, right? So the required probability is nothing but 5 out of 12, right? ओके हम इस चीज से एक बात ऑब्जर्व करते हैं गाइस. ओके इफ यू ऑब्जर्व, इफ द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 5 आउट ऑफ 12, इसका मतलब क्या है गाइस? ऑफ द 12 आउटकम्स दैट यू हैव इन द सैंपल स्पेस, 5 आर फेवरेबल टू यू and 12 minus 5, 7 will be unfavorable to you, right? So 5 outcomes are in favor and 7 are not in favor. So we define two terms here, guys. The first term is odds in favor of the outcome. Odds in favor of the outcome will be the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of unfavorable outcomes, which is nothing but 5 out of 7 in this case, right? Similarly, if I talk about odds against a particular outcome, odds against will be the reciprocal. Unfavorable outcomes divided by the favorable outcome, which is 7 out of 5. Okay, so in this case, we have two more things to understand in probability. The odds in favor of any particular outcome, that is the ratio of favorable outcomes divided by unfavorable outcomes. And in this case, odds against an outcome is unfavorable outcomes divided by favorable outcomes. Okay, that is 7 by 5 in this case. All right, so let's go on further, guys, to the next part. A box is filled with 3 white, 4 blue, and 5 red balls. If one ball is drawn at random, fine. Okay, first, odds against drawing a blue ball. All right. Now, how many outcomes are in favor of drawing a blue ball, guys? 4 favorable outcomes we have. And how many are non-favorable? 5 red and 3 white. The unfavorable outcomes are 8. So, odds against drawing a blue ball will be the ratio of unfavorable outcomes divided by favorable outcomes, right? So, it is 8 divided by 4 or 2:1. Next question is basically odds in favor of drawing a white ball. Again, the number of favorable outcomes of drawing a white ball, there are 3. And the number of outcomes which are not in favor or unfavorable outcomes, okay, of drawing a white ball, they are 5 red and 4 blue, which is 9, right? Unfavorable outcomes are 9. So what are the odds in favor of getting a white ball? Favorable outcomes 3 divided by unfavorable outcomes 9. 3 by 9 is 1 by 3. Okay, or 1:3 in this case.